We've boarded the Disney Magic, and today we're going to take a look at the Deluxe Oceanview with Verandah. Hi, I'm Erin with the Vacationeer. We are so excited to set sail on the Magic, but first I want to walk you through all of the little details that make this a wonderful stay for your family aboard the Disney Magic. The Disney Magic is the oldest ship in the Disney Cruise Line fleet. It has one of the most diverse schedules throughout the year. It is currently going to Lookout Cay, the brand new Disney destination with beautiful beaches and characters and all those magical Disney touches. The Disney Magic is the original Disney Cruise Line ship, so it is over 25 years old, but that doesn't mean that it feels old. It's seen some wonderful updates and refreshes over the years. I love the nautical touches that feel very classic and original to the Disney Cruise Line feel. So let's take a look at this space and see why you may love it for your family on your next Disney cruise. One of my favorite things is how convertible this room is. There's a lot of space to exist in within the day, plenty of storage space as well, but I'm always amazed at the things that can convert into your bed space. This couch right here, bed space. Right above me comes down a bunk, another bed space. You have this wonderfully comfortable queen bed, and then this curtain that separates the two. If you've got people that want to stay up a little bit later and some kiddos that need to go to bed a little bit more early, they can do that.
The most popular feature of the deluxe stateroom is the double bathrooms. The first room contains a toilet, sink, vanity, and storage for your toiletries. The second is a vanity, sink, and shower tub combo, making it perfect for families with little ones. It features H2O bath products, an adjustable shower head, and essential bath linens.
Another great space is this vanity space. It is a great place for getting ready for mom. All of the outlets right over here for your hot tools. Remember, not all of your hot tools are going to work on a Disney cruise ship. Like your blow dryers, you can't use a lot of the fancy ones that they have now. That's okay. They are going to provide you with a blow dryer in your room. So we've got lots of drawer space going on. Here's that blow dryer I was talking about, and you've also got a hot mat for your hot tools. You've got your itty bitty TV, but let's be honest, you're not going to be watching a lot of TV, but you do have a mini fridge over here. So for any of those bottles of wine or beverages that you might have brought on board, things that you might bring back to the room, snacks and food for baby, you're gonna go in here. There's just enough room for a little bit of everything, but not a whole lot of everything.
We can't forget about the smart and fun features that make this stateroom perfect for families. Bedside outlets allow you to keep all of your smart devices nearby. Hidden Mickeys and Disney Cruise Line Easter eggs are hidden throughout, and the closets and drawers allow you to unpack absolutely everything. But maybe the most stunning feature is the private veranda that you get to enjoy throughout your cruise. If you're still exploring Disney cruise staterooms, be sure to check out our playlist. And when you're ready to plan your next Disney cruise, connect with the Vacationeer for complimentary onboard credit and expert planning services. Visit vacationeer.com/YouTube for more details. Thanks. We'll see you again real soon.